Everybody, it's Varsity Breaks back with our final break of the evening. Yes, I will make sure to add that's whatever the stack of stuff you get to the baseball stuff for you. This is our last break of the evening. As I mentioned, it is our 2021 Panini Certified and Panini Black Football 3-box break. 1 box is certified, 2 boxes of black. Thank you everybody for joining and getting your payments in on time. I appreciate it. I hope everybody enjoys the break, and welcome to all you newcomers, and for those of you who have been in my breaks before, welcome back. I appreciate the support, and here we go. Let's see if we can pull something really nice for somebody, or something that's very nice for multiple people. Yeah, Mike, that's not a problem at all. I have you down on my sheet, so I'll know to just put all the stuff together because you have the same name. Good luck, everybody. Certified football. We just got done doing the 3-box break of this. Some nice parallel stuff. Nothing major on the autograph side. Hopefully we can change that here. Feels like a very thick pack. But swindled. Oh. It's got some damage. It's just the base card of Calvin Ridley, but it's got some damage to that upper left corner. Jaylon Darden, $3.99 for the Bucks. Got a Justin Herbert and Judy and Garoppolo. Wilson, Rager. Oh, there we go. Tom Brady for the Bucks to 149, seal of approval. Can't go wrong with any Tom Brady numbered cards these days. Bucks is Emery, A50. Cooper and Perrine. There's a Justin Herbert. 1 year too late on the rookie, but it's out of 249 for the Chargers. What am I doing here? I doesn't go there. It goes there. Devin White, graffiti. Akuda and Stafford. Stafford on the Rams there. I mean, obviously as it should be. So our first hit coming here. And it is for the Packers, Marquez Valdez-Scantling. Man, these are cool. I love these cards. Piece of the game. 31 of 99 red foil. I wonder why they changed it from fabric of the game, though. I wonder if that was a Leaf thing. Because Panini's had it for a while. Sorry. Packers is Nix, 1162. Draws first blood on the hits. Stephon Diggs, Eckler, and Newton. Wentz, Matt Breida auto. Gold, 12 of 15 for the Dolphins. Dolphins is JZZ Cards. JZZ Cards has had a nice night. 12-15. First auto. Hopkins. Rickon Smith and Roethlisberger. Devin White. Tommy Tremblay to 299 for the Panthers. Graffiti of Kyler Murray, and Ayuk and Slayton. There's Carr to 99, Peyton Turner for the Saints. Still in his college uni. Come on. There we go. 249, Devontae Adams. Gold team. Lamar Jackson and Devontae Adams. All right, 2 more hits. And Elijah Moore for the Jets. So much Jets stuff. But no Zach Wilson. 220 out of 249. 3-color patch auto. Another 249, like rose gold color, I guess. That's the 3rd different variation out of 249 that I've seen. I wonder if it's just because it's different players or numbered different things, maybe. Tuesday 220 Jets is Nick Vana 0. I butchered that, I apologize. And another Devontae Adams, Watson, and Lamb. Gibson and Tyron Smith for the Cowboys. Dual relic to 249. Interesting. Another offensive lineman, Steve Wilk, 1211. Congratulations. Cooper, Damian Harris, and Jared Goff. Goff on his Lions uni. And last pack. Let's get some. Calvin Ridley to 199 for the Falcons. Alvin Kamara, TJ Watt, and Michael Thomas. All right. That is it for the certified. And we get 2 boxes of black. Good luck. Actually, I'm just gonna... Box 1. These are so weird that these boxes are so small. It's like opening Immaculate, but without having the tin. And it's half the size of the box. I'm just going to open both of these at the same time. Get them into their packs. Packs out. There we go. All right, good luck, everybody. Panini Black. All right, Force Field Black, Russell Wilson. I'm just going to go ahead and sleeve all these cards. I don't know if any of these are short printed or anything. Seahawks is F.R. Bucha, 24. Ramondre Stevenson, rookie influx patch, 4-color patch, 25 out of 25. That was a case hit. All right, well, I'll put it in a top loader then. Ramondre Stevenson, I think he might be like their backup running back. I don't think he, maybe starting, I don't know. All right, Patriots. Douglas Banger. And Elijah Mitchell autograph. 13 of 35 for the San Francisco 49ers. Oh, please. Please. We did it. Oh, it's not an auto, though. I thought, oh, brutal. There you go for the Niners. And PR Cisco 8. Trevor Lawrence. Jumbo. Oh, it is an RPA. Holy shit, out of 49. 40 out of 49. Congrats to Carreri with the big hitter. Very nice. It only said enclosed authentic memorabilia is not from any given. Oh, the autograph is separate. Wow, very nice. To 75, Aaron Donald on the back. That is a pretty nice pack. I should have a, let's see. I feel like that should fit in a 100 point. Yeah, buddy. I should have just opened this box myself, huh? I don't see any damage or anything. Why is this not going in there? What is going on here? It's like not wanting to fit. That's weird. What the heck? All right, well, I don't know what's going on with that. I'll try 130 point just in case. It definitely does not look 130 point thick though. So, Correri, congratulations. Oh, the card's bowed, that's why. For some reason it's bowed. There you go. 40 of 49. Trevor Lawrence, T-Law. Very nice, congrats. We'll go ahead and take a photo of that one after the breaks are over. I'll make it up on our our Instagram wall and Facebook. If any of you haven't had a chance to, subscribe to our YouTube page, get onto our Facebook page, or subscribe to our Instagram page. That's kind of where we put all of our info, or not all, but some of our info, show all of our hits, all that kind of good stuff. So, rookie of Nico Collins for the Texans, not numbered. Tutu Atwell, futuristic. That's cool. 3 of 25. Green foil, 2-color patch for the Rams. Oh, I was going to say, no, couldn't be back-to-back, right? Unfortunately, there's 3 more cards in here. There you go, Tutu Atwell, 3 of 25 for the Rams. And Cormos, 959. Oh, we have a redemption. 070 of 199. Wait. There you go, Elijah Mitchell. Base and blue version for the Niners. And PR Cisco. See what the redemption is. Man, black turned out to be the big hitter tonight. 7 of 10, Christian McCaffrey. Green for the Panthers. And 1, 2, 3, 4, Jay Van. All right, we'll see what this. I will do a quick recap again at the end. Of the break. Let's see what we got here is our redemption. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully it's something nasty and not just some base. Panini Black. Rookie signature material silver. Number 9 is Najee Harris for the Steelers. Very nice. Oh, 2 nice RPAs in these 2 boxes. Jage Bebe. I'm going to go with that. There you go. Najee Harris, silver parallel. I don't know exactly what that one's number to. Let's see. This one looks more like a holofoil, but who knows? Oh. All right. All right, and that's it for the break, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'll do a quick recap of our hits here. Just give me a second. Get these in order. I'll just stick that over there. 35. Do that one. 15. Okay. All right, here we go. Quick recap of everything. Oh wait, these aren't even in order. Sorry. Okay. Seal of approval to orange to 149 of Tom Brady. To 99, Peyton Turner, red rookie. Aaron Donald from black, 75 out of 75, and out of black green out of 10, Christian McCaffrey. From certified gamers, Tyron Smith, dual relic to 249. Piece of the game to 99 for the Packers, Marquez Valdez-Scantling. 2 patches from black. This is black rookie influx, 25 of 25, and this is Ramondre Stevenson. And then 2 color green foil out of 25, 3 of 25, Tutu Atwell for the Rams. Oops, sorry, that in there. All right, on to the autos. We got 2 Elijah Mitchell autos, 1 out of 199, the other out of 35 for the Niners. Our RPA from certified was Elijah Moore for the Jets out of 249. And then our other autograph from certified was Mirror Gold, I think. Usually gold's out of 50, or 25. But this is 12 out of 15, Matt Breida for the Dolphins. And then our first RPA for from black was Material Silver, Najee Harris, Redemption. And then the big beast was the Trevor Lawrence, 40 out of 49, 2-color patch auto, silver ink. I don't know if they're all silver or gold or whatever, but anyway, there you go. Very nice. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you again for the break. I appreciate it. I hope to see you all next week. Until then, have a good, wonderful weekend. Enjoy some football. See you guys then.